Got them you. Okay, today ECAP show YouTube how to make tuna casserole. ECAP cheat little bit, is not the real casserole, is quickie casserole. Is for single peoples, and this recipe for making 2 serving. If you are a single, you can, I will show, can make 2 serving and eat half one time, and for next time eat half. ECAP have package for tuna casserole, have tuna, have mushroom, and have 1 cup mushroom, and cutting white Spanish onion cutting for maybe 1/4 cup, and have 2 slicing marble cheese, and later put for water and milk and salting, and I think this is all. Okay. ECAP also have for cooking, I turn on now for making 350 400 degree, and cover this one with tin foil after make recipe and cook tuna casserole. ECAP spray non-stick on this one. ECAP do now. ECAP put in sink and spray for non-sticking, for better cleaning after. And after ECAP have tin foil, ECAP make one time before tuna casserole, actually maybe 2 times. Anyway, save money by reuse tin foil, and when everything ready to go, put ingredients, and ECAP cut mushroom into small piece, put in pan, and put butter, turn on now, make small piece mushroom. Okay, this is secret for make recipe and food last longer, make for more than 1 time. Okay, and cutting onion. You kept should putting butter soon or pan will melting and burning. You kept no have time little bit before burning starting. Cut onion small piece, and get butter, put now, and do not have to putting onion and mushroom, not have to burn. Put little bit salting. You can get also tray for mixing. Water is boil. Open tuna casserole. They are changing packaging. Goddamn bitches. Okay. Okay, you can turn down heat. Do not burning onion or mushroom, only make little bit hot. Okay. Now for this one, you can take half mixing cheese and half elbow macaroni in package. Put everything in this one, and say put a little bit salting, not too much, and for half package make 1 cup hot water, and also putting 1/4 cupping milk. You cannot have milk, so putting half and half cream is okay. And mixing, you can't forget putting a little bit water in this one, can get more cheese. Okay, fall into this one, can turning off everything inside now, and putting now tuna, open tuna, can see, drain water a little bit. This one I think not solid, this one flaky tuna. We kept cut a little bit, look like flaky, not solid, and putting here. You have to putting slowly. I think he kept cut out this one. Show what kind tuna. Okay. Now mixing everything. Cheese powder, macaroni, and tuna. Can putting now dish for cooking oven, and can also putting macaroni. Sometimes you can put cheese #1 and then putting macaroni, goddammit. Put onion and mushroom next. Very simple recipe for putting, and cover now. Put everything, cover this side, and put in oven, and putting for 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, and ready. When come out, e-cup show. Okay, e-cup show finish cooking. Take off tin foil, and e-cup take out oven halfway, 20 minutes, mixing little bit. Now put on plate. E-cup eat half today. Hot, be careful, have to wear oven mitt. And put for eating, and tuna mix have little flakes, cheese, put on top, and put on top, and half for next time. Okay, thank you for watching. Watch more e-cup adventure in cooking and big screen.
Not forget, ring the bell.